and welcome to Starlight House. I'm Prashant, and this is your weekly reading for Sun, Moon, Venus rising in Capricorn. This is a general reading, so may not resonate with everyone. But if it does, there is an extension to it. The link for extension is below in the description box. I hope you like the reading, and if you do, please do like, subscribe, and share. That would be very helpful. Thank you. So, Capricorn, how are you doing? How has October been treating you so far? Excited for Halloween or holiday season? Alright. Let's see, what are you thinking for this week? What do you truly desire? Take a deep breath. Alright, Capricorn. Let's see what your true desire is for this week. Three of Coins. Opportunities to grow, make dreams into reality. Blocking it is Eight of Wands. Past situations. Two of Wands. Two of Swords, actually. At conflict. Mind's ambition. Ace of Swords. Clarity. Heart's desire. Page of Chalices. Seeking new relationships. Future situations. Wheel of Fate. Suggested advice or action. Hanged Man. Context for the suggested advice or action. Queen of Wands. Hopes and fears. Magician. And potential outcome. King of Coins. So seems like there was a conflict in the past. Conflict that could be related to more in your professional side, and now you're seeking opportunities to invest in future, invest in new situation, invest in new opportunities. This past conflict could have blocked a situation, could have blocked an opportunity coming your way, or it could have left you wounded, or left you confused about what you truly want. And now you're trying to identify the situations, the opportunities where you can invest. You're trying to find people, you're trying to find relationships that would trust in you, that would trust your intellectuality, that would trust your wisdom, that would trust your expertise in the opportunities you want to invest in. And at the same time, you're seeking a mental clarity from the past conflict or the chaos or the confusion that got created. Clarity to be able to find these opportunities and invest in them. What's right now blocking it is you not be able to trust your own creative abilities. You're not being able to trust your own inner guidance, inner childlike energy, which would tell you that how you can make any opportunity and convert it like a magician into something which is extremely in demand by everyone. It looks like you did a magic on it, but it's because you truly understand, you have inner clarity, inner ability to believe in whatever you're manifesting, in whatever you're creating. And that inner clarity, your inner belief, your wisdom that you gained over years, the expertise that you generated, all of that can come together and give you the Wheel of Fate. the wheel will turn in your favor and you would get the coins. You become the king of coins, the big scale entrepreneur that you're looking to become. But in order to get all of there, you are suggested to go back, retreat inside, connect to yourself, go in a hanged man mode, do meditations or do creative channeling. Creative channeling, if you have any inclination towards playing musical instruments or taking up art, painting, craft, any sort of creativity that can come along your way, that would give you burst of ideas, that would give you the clarity that you're seeking. So Queen of Wands represents a person who's intellectually poised, but at the same time they're very creative in understanding and finding the right opportunity for them. And when you mix that with your own inner clarity, when you mix that with your understanding that the magician you're seeking and hoping is inside of you, that ace of clarity will let you identify the magician you're seeking is inside of you. Once you do that, connect that to your creative abilities, you would be able to create situations, you would be able to self-create opportunities instead of even looking that outside of your bubble or your environment. Inside your environment, you would be able to create situations, you would be able to create opportunities that would provide you so much abundance that it would help you further grow and become the entrepreneur that you seek to be. Now, in order to do that, you have to get past your own confusion. You have to get past your own fears, or you have to get past the chaos or the conflict of the past. This conflict could also very well represent the inner fear, the inner ability to not be able to trust in your own creative self, in your own ability to manifest and create like a magician. A magician can take anything and convert. So it's like, if you think about alchemists, they can take any metal and convert it into possibly gold. That's the idea of alchemy. Similarly, magician can take any material, any element, and convert it into something that the magician truly desires. The relationships, the opportunities that you're seeking would come along all the way. They will keep coming along once you connect to your own inner energy, you connect to your own inner spark, and you connect to your own creative abilities. All these three cards point towards you have to connect to your own creative ability, which is getting blocked by your own fear, by your inability to trust yourself. If that was because of some past failure, if that was because of some lifelong conditioning that your creative ability deserves no ground, don't deserve any financial strongholds, you probably need to go back and check that. It's not just about your creative ability to be able to generate financial your creative ability to be able to generate financial abundance for you. It's also about your creative abilities gives you ideas. Once you're channeling yourself in musical instrument, if you're channeling yourself in colors while painting, all of that can give you ideas it basically allows your mind to take a rest, and that rested mind can now generate ideas that are more productive instead of fearing about any failure or something. Because your conscious mind now is focused on playing a musical instrument or painting some storyline with your art. And now, once your conscious mind gets occupied with that, your other subconscious takes some rest, and that once it comes back, it can generate ideas which it will give you a lot of inner clarity and generate ideas that would help you grow. So the message over here is clear, very clear, that your creative energy is getting blocked. Now this is probably because you're fearing it, or you believe that your creative energy doesn't deserve financial abundance, or you're just seeking financial abundance from everything, and that is getting blocked by like that is blocking your creative energy, because your creative energy might not look like that would generate any financial abundance for you. But the suggestion is that if you connect to your creative self, once you connect to your own inner self, that would allow your mind to take some rest, take a pause, and instead of pursuing opportunities, look within self and try to identify what opportunities you can create. And once you learn to create opportunities, once you learn to create situations that are beneficial to you, it's all of that abilities would itself bring you financial abundance. You don't even have to go out and chase anything. See, in this King of Coins, the rabbit, instead of chasing, is sitting in its own throne, in its own gold crown like throne, and just watching everything else. Because it fully trusts itself, it fully trusts its own ability to create. And that creation can only occur once you're connected to your own inner light, inner self, inner clarity. I hope this reading resonated with you. And if it did, there's an extension to it. In the extension, I would look more about your current energy. How are you feeling right now about these fears or these creative blocks? And what we can do about bringing them into balance. Secondly, we'll look at inspirations or messages from Oracle about what should we do during this hanged mode time frame. And then we would look at any timing card related to which opportunity or when would the clarity or opportunity that would give you this abundance come along. So we will look all of that in the extended. If you would like to join me in the extended, the link for that is below in the description box. Thank you for joining me in the reading, and have a great week. Bye.